Hi, in this video I will show you how you can show rulers in Canva. So I have this square on my design and I want to make the side or the length of the side to be precisely 5 centimeters. But I have no idea how much 5 centimeters really is because there is no visual aid, there is no ruler to be a benchmark. So in order to show rulers for vertical and horizontal rulers in your Canva interface, you have to go to the file menu, settings, and click show rulers and guides, or you might also use the keyboard shortcut Shift and R. And there you go. On the top side, you will see the horizontal rule, and on the left side, you will see the vertical rule. So as I mentioned before, I want to make this a square to be precisely 5 centimeters on each side. So what I need to do is I'm going to put the square on the top left corner of the canvas, and I'm going to press shift and I want to stop at around 5 centimeters. This is exactly 5 centimeters. You'll see it is 5 centimeters horizontally and also 5 centimeters vertically. And that is the benefit of using rulers in Canva. You can make your design for some elements to be extremely precise, and you'll see that this ruler can be hidden if you want to. You can go to file, settings, and disable the rulers again, or you can also use the keyboard shortcut if you want to. So that's basically how you can show and hide rulers in Canva. I hope you find this video helpful.